now for a moment. It's Sunday, and it was yesterday. It started to be very feeling like to be in spring. And today, when I wake up, this is now it started to melt away again. The winter was coming to show off again. I have to take out some screws from here. Hopefully those are putting this thing to the ground. Two screws. So dirty. Everything up here is so dirty. See if I have a longer one that maybe can get down there. Yeah. All this here have to be taken in the house in the basement and cleaned up because it's can't put it out like this again. Then I put the screws here. I also found two bolts. I have to take out and see what's loosening up here when I have done. Actually, I had the right one. See if the other one is just as loose. No. One was very loose, the other one is locked. Okay, I'll just screw up that one and see what's happening. No, it was not that hard. Need more tools. I have to see if I can get this middle part of the console off. I was seeing some videos on the net, and I have to take off my dab. What's under here, as you see, is a screw there, 10 millimeters. Wasn't seriously tightened, this one either. Then on the other place here, see, yeah. Now one of the screws have been seriously tightened. So someone have been up here with something before. Then the whole of that part is loose. The whole of this center console is dirty. Very dirty. There's some splitting thing here. split in two on that side. Not sure why or... It's so dirty that I almost don't want to touch it. Have to see on the other side. Under here is a screw. You cannot take off the top. Without the other part. I'm able to split it. What is coming off, what is not coming off, I'm not sure. Okay. Of course, in here is a lot of wiring and things. So I have to... I'm not a dog shit. Not shit, but here. Why is it often that small little shit that make the big problems? There, disconnect everything. Had one connector in the back. I didn't need to take off all this shit. Okay, so for other people want to take off the middle console, this part up here has one main connector. Don't have to make yourself so much problem as I did. Like the rest of the car, up here is very dirty. Everything have to go out. The floor mats, I'm not sure how far forward they go. It looks like they're not going far under here. But this have to go out anyway. Be cleaned. Can't have it like this. You see. Huh. 1.5mm and one more on the other side. And at least the back part here should be Okay, let's see the back of this. Of course, up to the heater control and things like that. How do I get that shit off? Because I have a wire coming here. It's going up to that system. Is that wire able to disconnect somewhere? I'm sorry to say that after seeing all things junk in here, it looks like you have been mouse in the car too. Up here, it's completely filled up. Wouldn't doubt a second if I find some electric wiring problems here. What is this? A key for a car. But for which car? An old Mercedes. Someone is missing a key for a Mercedes. Here it is. More papers. A lot more paper up here. Now just collecting some coins. I'm going to take out some of the parts into the basement so I can clean them. I need to find some other tools before I can get to find a small screwdriver to get in there. The one I had was too big. To get that one out, then maybe the carpet soon is losing. I have to find the last screws here, but now I found so much other things that I just do that first. So I just go in and start cleaning things instead. Hope you like it. Hope you put on a like on the video and that you subscribe if you want to more small videos about how to fix things. So thank you.